Okay, seriously, I burped as soon as I turned off the camera. Like, it's ridiculous. I might be able to finish these fries now. Actually, no. They're disgusting. I don't want to eat them. That's all. Hey guys, it's the Mad Attack, and welcome back to my channel. What did you guys think of the new intro I just whipped up? I thought the beginning of my videos needed something, even if it was a little simple. I'll probably try to figure out something else as time goes on, but I think it'll do for now. Anyways, today I picked up some McDonald's. I kind of went with a little bit of everything. There's a little bit of beef, a little bit of chicken here, and some fries, and well, let's get to her. Let's start off with some fries. You might know this by now, but I just got a new mic, so hopefully the audio quality will be better now. And I want to branch off into ASMR videos. Today is the first test run, so I don't really know how it's going to end up, but hopefully it sounds okay. Let's pour some of this out. So let's start with Junior. Oh, they didn't put it together very well. They knew it was me too. A lot of the people I know don't think I can finish this. I told them if I can't finish this, I can't finish the 3,500 McDonald's challenge. I think I'll be able to do it. Okay. Junior's down. Let's go into a quarter pounder with cheese. I forgot to mention, but a lot of people seem interested in the amount of calories and how much these meals cost, so I'll stick that up right over here. Okay, I think I'm gonna go on to, I have the spicy habanero and the regular McChicken here. I'm just not sure which one is which. I think, oh, this is the spicy habanero right there. Let's see how spicy it is. Not that spicy. I mean, it's a little spicy. It's got a little bit of spice to it. But obviously, something that's meant to appeal to a mass market isn't going to be super spicy. Can you believe they didn't give me any napkins at all, so I have to use ones from home? Come on, guys. Step it up. Okay. Let's go into the good old McDouble. Right. Double Big Mac. Next. So I'm not very good at using the camera yet. This is gonna be messy. I also got extra mac sauce on it. Oh, I gotta learn to chew my food better. Man, I'm going full ham on this. Maybe extra mac sauce wasn't such a good idea. This is messy. Oh, man. Last, or second last, the regular McChicken. I think I can just now a 1/4 pounder BLT. Oh yeah. Let's get her down. Bacon. Love me some bacon. Hopefully I don't check the camera and find that this hasn't been recording the whole time. Wouldn't that suck? It's always one of my biggest fears. Finishing the meal and then going over the camera and saying it's not recording. No, that's ever happened to me yet, but it'd be a total waste of money and a meal. That's where a good burp would come in handy. I'm actually struggling. I admit it, I'm struggling. Sorry guys. I told everyone I'd be able to do this easy. I'm gonna finish the nuggets though, I believe. Hopefully. One thing I've learned from starting these mukbangs is that fast food goes cold so fast. I never used to realize that before. Like when you're just eating a single meal, like you get it done pretty quick, but when you're eating a big amount of food like this and it takes you a while, and it's like after 10 minutes, the food goes cold. And it's so much less appetizing after that. It's like even if you have a little bit of room in your stomach, like cold fast food just does not taste good. That's why I thought it'd be sweet if I got like a little microwave oven over here. I could like turn around and heat my food up. I also don't have a McFlurry today to dip my nuggets in. I wanted to get one, but I didn't figure that it would make the trip home without melting by the time I started recording all this.
that mountain of fries. Oh my god. They're just cold. I know I'm making excuses now, but I don't even want to touch those things. Even if I had room. The nuggets aren't so bad. Because they're nuggets, and nuggets are amazing. I'm sure you can tell I'm struggling. I keep flip-flopping in my head whether I'm ready or not for the 3,500 McDonald's challenge. And I still don't know. I still feel like you gotta be able to finish this easily if you want to be able to finish that. Like if I can't do this without any trouble. But then there'll be days where I'll be like, oh yeah, I can do that for sure. Totally. That was only 10 nuggets. The challenge is 30. 30 plus 2 medium fries. Those are 2 larges, but still. Let's just get these nuggets done and consider it a success. Napkins. Well, you guys are right. I couldn't finish. Got all these fries left over. But what can you do? Just gotta keep practicing, I guess. Hopefully it won't be too hard on me next time I see y'all. I'm honestly not like a really big fan of fries. Normally when I go to fast food places, I'll like, if I just get a normal meal, instead of fries, I'll get like 2 sandwiches or something. Like if it's McDonald's, I'll get like 2 McDoubles or a McDouble and a junior. I'll usually skip on the fries. Or like, nuggets are usually my go-to side. So I'll get like a McDouble and nuggets on the side. I usually never really consider French fries. I know I'll probably get a lot of hate for that, but that's just the way I am. My body failed me though, and never really gave me a good burp at the end there. Give me that last push through it. I feel like there's not much left there. I've had a good burp. And then watch me get a burp as soon as I turn the camera off. Oh well. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos to come. And check out some of my older videos I have. I'll see you guys next time. See you later.